Hello everybody, and welcome to your channel Creative People. Today we're exploring how technology is transforming the world of construction. From smarter machines to innovative building methods, we'll walk through 5 powerful ways technology is shaping the future of construction. Let's get started. Self-operating robots and vehicles are increasingly being designed for construction activities like earth moving, pouring concrete, and transporting materials. By functioning with minimal or no human control, they help cut down on labor needs while boosting productivity. A dome structure needs a strong foundation to carry its load and maintain stability. The choice of foundation is influenced by factors such as the dome's dimensions, the soil characteristics, and local building codes. Typical options include concrete footings, a slab-on-grade base, or deep pilings. The machines created by NCCR Digital Fabrication highlight cutting-edge advances in construction technology. They range from robotic arms designed for intricate 3D printing to automated platforms that streamline material handling and assembly tasks. Fusion's repast blocks are produced by recycling different kinds of plastic waste, such as disposable bottles, wrappers, and other discarded items. The system fuses the plastic particles through heat alone, without relying on extra binders or adhesives, creating strong and long-lasting blocks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone interested in construction tech.